The transaction that I had with BDO took almost an hour. I was just asking for my bank statement.
More than an hour.
More than an hour? Anywho, we are now going to Lumpia ni Sanyang to buy lunch. Lumpia ni Sanyang. A special lumpia and a vegetable lumpia. Let's go. Let's go. Parking is quite far at their part, but Lumpia ni Sanyang is just nearby. Te, drive-thru lang ko, te.
Pila?
Kuan. Unom.
Oh. Puso.
Puso. Duha lang.
Pila ka puso buka?
Opat lang, te. Opatan na lang.
Dapat ka puso day.
Namoy buko? Maputos?
Oh, naa.
Oh, kana pod. Oh, naka-bottle ba or?
Oh.
Sige, kana.
Pila?
Duha lang.
290. Ako na nang gidain-lain.
Okay, salamat. 6 special lumpia. 6 vegetable lumpia. I forgot what inside special lumpia, but I think lumpia, special lumpia is taugi. What's taugi in English? Some weeks ago, I bought something off of Lazada to help us in our road trips. And that is a desk. An eating desk. Marge forgot to bring the connector, the faucet to hose connector. So I'm doing it manually. Ah. Oh, there's a solution. Duct tape. Oh, waterfalls! Hey, ano na? Hindi lagi. Hi, siya. Hi. Waterfalls.